So this video is a take through of how I repaired a spot socket in my room. This right here is a spot socket after I dismounted it to take some things out of it. We can go ahead and have a quick recap of the tools that will be needed. Basically, we will need a tester and a screwdriver. And for the materials, just a double socket to serve as the replacement for the old socket, which I bought from an electrical shop in town, or you can also order it online if you want to build the same thing. Let us have a quick look at the conduit box, which contains the earth wire, the live wire, and the neutral wires. Of course, as we know, the live wire carries the power, and then the neutral wire serves as the return path. The earth serves as a protection from electrical shock. I'll let you know how that happens in another video of mine. We can also use the tester to check out which of the cables has power in it. Of course, just as I told you, is the live wire, but then we can also use the tester to find out. Now to the socket, the socket I'll be replacing. Let's check out the various slots. The live slots, the neutral slots, and then the earth slots. With everything set, you can now insert the wires from the conduit box into their respective slots on the socket. Just after inserting the live and the neutral wires into the socket, we can find out that the socket is working, meaning without the earth wire the socket can still perform. It's just that we still need the earth wire to prevent electrical shock during faults. Of course, just as I told you, you can check the top corner here for the video that explains it into detail, how the earth wire prevents shocks if there's a fault. So knowing that the earth wire is necessary, we can now insert the earth wire. With all done, we can now cover the conduit box with a socket and screw it. So just as you can see, all is set. We can now cover our socket with the insulator casing provided and test the socket. So I believe from this video you can now fix a socket in your house when it gets spoiled. Thank you for watching the video. See you in another video. Bye.